Stop scrolling. If you are running a business, you would have asked yourself, why on earth am I paying for a software when we have the free version right there? Odoo Community is actually a free version. It's powerful, it's open source. Whereas Enterprise, it obviously costs you money. It is a subscription, okay? So is Enterprise just a tax on success? Or is this free version going to be the most expensive mistake that you make? Today, we aren't just listing out some features. We are going to bring out the ultimate truth into light. So welcome to the showdown, Odoo Community versus Odoo Enterprise. Let's fight. First off, let's put some respect over the community version of Odoo. It's not what you think. It's not just a cheap trial version of Odoo. It's actually the core engine. Okay? So if you have a group of Python wizards, then you own the code. So you get a solid sales, CRM. Not only that, you will get a basic inventory, project management. Along with that, you get the free user access as well. Think of community as a massive, powerful V8 engine which is delivered to your garage using a crate. So it's free, it's massive, but you will have to build the car around the engine. So do you have the mechanics? Do you have the time for that? And here is where the dream of free usually hits the brick wall. So there are three massive holes for this community edition where most of the growing businesses falls for. The accounting, the mobile view, as well as the upgrading of the software. The very first thing is the accounting. So here in the community version, you can't find anything called accounting. Instead, you will find something which is known as the invoicing. So as the name indicates, obviously there are certain changes inside. Okay, so here you won't get any bank synchronization, no certain spreadsheets and all. Okay, no reports, journals and all in detail as such of the accounting. Okay, so here what you are going to have while using this community version's invoicing module is that you'll be having a highly, modified or high tech front office, but still you are running in the 90s at the back end. The second one is the mobile view. Like for Odoo Community, we don't have a native mobile app. And in case of any emergency, like if your client, if you are doing a client work and your client gives you an emergency requirement, you will have to run back to the office. Like if you are outside, you will have to run back to the office because your system is required, right, to do all the updation. And here is where Cybrosys has come up with a product or a software called Mobo, which is mobile suite for Odoo apps. So here we have published certain native apps for each of the modules like sales, you have this inventory, accounting and all such things. So I'll give you a clip of how Mobo looks like and I'll also provide a link in the description. So you can go on and download it today. It's available in Play Store as well as App Store. So please try it out and let me know how it is. And the final black hole is the upgrading nightmare. So as soon as the Odoo's version changes, your community version is not going to upgrade by itself. You'll have to hire developers and suddenly your free software is going to cost you thousands because a lot of developers are going to work behind that. Now enters Enterprise. If community is the crate engine, Enterprise is the showroom-ready supercar built around it. You aren't paying for the core, you're paying for the speed layers built on top. You get a full accounting kit with AI where 90% of your reconciliation will be done and for sure your accountant is going to thank you. Here you will get a native mobile app where you can create your inventory, manage your expenses and even close deals just by using the UI which is built for thumbs. And comes the ultimate weapon which is the Odoo Studio. So in Enterprise, you have the studio. Want to create a custom field, a report, and even a mini app, that too just by dragging and dropping. So if you are using community, then this is going to be a 5-hour developer ticket, but in Enterprise, it's going to be a 5-second dragging. So who wins? It comes down to what you value more, your cash or your time. Choose community if you are a bootstrapped startup with zero budget, or a tech company with in-house Python developers who love tinkering because it's a great sandbox. Choose enterprise if your business is scaling and you need speed, automation, as well as the mobile access. And also if you want your Odoo to upgrade by itself while you can focus on selling. And one more thing to add on is that enterprise is almost and always cheaper than hiring a developer to maintain the free version. Making your choice is tough, and migrating the versions later is even tougher. So don't guess with your business infrastructure. At Cybrosys, we have created hundreds of Odoo projects on community as well as the enterprise version, and so we know where the hidden traps are. So if you want an assessment from us, like if you want a consultation from us, feel free to contact us. I'll be giving the contact details below. So are you team community DIY or enterprise speed? Let's argue about it in the comment box. Go build something great. Thank you so much, guys.